This video we're going to talk about Alive 6 tool. Alive 6 is a tool within the TCP IP version 6 attacking toolkit designed for reconnaissance in IP version 6 networks. It's used to discover active IPv6 hosts on a network segment. Before we start our journey into ethical hacking, remember with great power comes great responsibility. We must always have permission to test websites, computer system, and respect privacy. Remember, we use our skills to help but not harm. So let's gear up, learn the tricks of ethical hacking, and make the digital world a safer place for everyone. Okay, I'm going to jump into the Parrot OS. Parrot OS running under Raspberry Pi, and now I'm going to type the commands. First, I'm going to type sudo runs the command as a super user, granting it administrative privileges. After that, Alive 6. This is the name of the IP version 6 scanning tool. Next, we're going to type WLAN 0. Specify the network interface on which the scan is being performed. In this case, I'm going to use my wireless LAN interface. If you're using Ethernet, you can type ETH0. Now, I'm going to execute the command. We can see it's scanning and we get some summaries. Let's go one by one. Okay, now let's go the one which we found after Alive. You can see the Alive and you can see the IP version 6 address. I blur these addresses because I don't want to show my IP version 6 address to the public, so that's why I blurred this IP version 6 addresses. Now if you do that, you will see a bunch of IP version 6 address with Alive. Now these IP version 6 addresses indicates a unique device or interfaces on the network. This helps in mapping the network, identifying connected devices, and understanding the network infrastructure. Now the other one is ICMP echo reply. So you can see a bunch of echo reply. So this shows the device response to an ICMP request. A reply suggests the device is active and responsive. This is crucial for network mapping and identify potential targets for further testing. And after that, we can see ICMP parameter problem. I think I have two parameter problems. So this is like devices with ICMP parameter problem. So these responses indicating a device received an ICMP request but had issues processing it. This might suggest potential vulnerabilities or misconfiguration for further investigation. Now after that, we can see at the end, we can see scan one address and found 14 system alive. So this provides a quick overview of the scan effectiveness. Knowing the number of devices detected helps the ethical hacker gauge the network size and how many devices are potentially vulnerable or needed to be secured. Now, what are the benefits for ethical hackers or cybersecurity professionals? So first one is network mapping. They can understanding the layout of, you can see this is all layout and number of devices on a network. The second one is vulnerability assessment. So they can identifying if active devices that could be potential targets for deeper vulnerability scanning. The third one is security auditing. So ethical hackers can verify that network security measures are effective or finding gaps in security coverage. The other one is compliance checking. So they can ensuring that all network devices comply with relevant security standards and policies. Now other one I want to tell you that important about ethical considerations, right? So first of all, the permission. Ethical hackers must have explicit permissions to scan and test networks. Unauthorized scanning, even with good intentions, can be illegal and unethical. The second one is responsible disclosure. Any vulnerabilities found should be reported to the organization in a manner that allows them to fix the issue before they are made public or exploited. In summary, tools like Alive6 are valuable for ethical hackers for network reconnaissance, mapping, and preliminary assessments, which are the first steps in a throughout the security audit or vulnerability assessment. I want to introduce you to two websites, kalicyber.com, you can see in here. The next one is breachfix.online. Both sites created and owned by me. But here's the twist. We are going to dive into some serious penetration testing and explore their security, vulnerabilities, weakness, everything. Yes, that's right. I'll be hacking into my own sites to demonstrate any potential security weaknesses. So why I'm doing this? Well, it's crucial to understand how cybersecurity works in the real world. By testing my own sites, I can show you the process of identifying and addressing security issues, which is essential for anyone interested in cybersecurity. I'm offering both of these sites for you to practice your penetration testing skills for free. Yes, I'm going to give this for free so you can do your own practice penetration testing. This is a fantastic opportunity for students, enthusiasts, and building cybersecurity professionals to get hands-on experience in a controlled legal environment. Before you start, here's some guidelines. Number one, respect the purpose of this exercise. It's for educational use only. Number two, report any vulnerabilities you find directly to me. The third one is, do not use the knowledge you gain here for malicious purposes. Penetration testing is a critical skill in the world of cybersecurity, and I'm so excited to offer you this unique learning experience. Remember, ethical hacking is about making the digital world safer for everyone. So let's learn, explore, and grow together. If you find this channel helpful and would like to support my channel, please consider making a donation through buymeacoffee.com. Believe me, every little bit helps in bringing more such educational and engaging content to you. Thank you so much.